Hello, I'm Jim Pasmore. I'm a consultant for Thermo Fisher Scientific, and today I'm going to show you one of their new analyzers. It's an upgrade of a previous one called the XL2. This one is called the XL2 Plus, and the XL2 Plus has been upgraded with a new detector and a new X-ray tube that's more powerful. What that means is higher performance, of course, just like dropping a new engine into a car that gives better performance. So it's quicker, it's more precise, it's greater sensitivity, and it's better accuracy overall. So what that means is you can simply sort alloys quicker, which is what the scrap sorting business is about. The quicker we can sort, the more we can make on our inventory. So let's take a look at, here's a 1100 aluminum, and aluminums are about twice as fast as they used to be. There it is in 0.2 seconds. I can't even release the trigger quick enough to stop it at 0.2 seconds. But you see it's characterized by iron and not much else. Whereas if we go to a very similar alloy that's often mixed with it in the older analyzers, this is a 66:1. And that's very similar in chemistry. So there it is in 0.2 seconds. And we see the differences in a few of the elements that help us to make that call. Here's an example of a 2000 series. This is 2014. 2014 has about 5% copper in it, just like 2024 and even 2017. So we see here that it calls it a 2014 and maybe 2017, but there's that copper near 5%. Now, if we wanted to find out specifically what the difference is between that and a 2024, for example, we would look for the magnesium, because the 2024 is a little higher magnesium level than the 2014. How would we do that? We would simply hold the trigger a little longer, and it would switch to a second filter that's optimized for light elements such as silicon, aluminum, and magnesium. So you say, well, how did you get aluminum in that case? Well, we get that by difference with the main filter when we measure all the other elements and subtract them from 100%. So when we go to the light filter, we measure all those light elements directly. Let's take another example. Let's take 3000 series. So here's a 3003, and that would be about 1% manganese typically to help separate it from 3004 and other. And there it is again quite quickly. Here's a 5000 series, a 5052, and we'll shoot that. And there it is, 5052, 5056. Again, magnesium is the difference. So you say, well, I want to know that difference. I want to know exactly what that difference is. So what you would do is you would simply hold the trigger a little longer, and it would automatically switch to the light filter. And when it does, it will look for the light elements such as aluminum, silicon, and magnesium. And there it finds it as a 5052 with an excellent match because it found the magnesium very quickly. So let's take now 7075. Here we have one that's characterized by zinc and copper, aerospace alloy typically. And there it is, 7075, and there's the copper and there's the zinc. So aluminum sorting is now lightning fast. Let's jump to a couple other bases here. Here's a nickel base, a nickel 200. There it is. And there it is, 0.2 seconds, 200. Here's a 625. I won't show you each one, but you'll see the result on the screen, 625. Here's a Hastelloy B2. Here is a Waspaloy. Here's an 8286 stainless steel. Here's a 304 stainless steel. This is probably bread and butter in a lot of places, the 188 as they call it. Here's a 310 stainless steel, a little higher nickel. And here's a 316 stainless steel, which has got the roughly 2% moly. And let's take titanium. Here's a 6242. Here's a CDA 715 copper alloy. And there it is. So it's that quick. It's amazing. I really am impressed with this, having used some of the older analyzers over the years. They've come so far since those older analyzers. And that's the story of the latest and greatest for scrap sorting. They also have a new one called the XL5, which is their top of the line flagship analyzer. It's a little more costly, but it's just as fast and even more sensitive. So that one I'm not showing here, but you can get on the Thermo Fisher website and take a look at both of these. And also you can contact your local rep through the Thermo Fisher website. So thanks for watching. I'm Jim Passmore, signing out.